What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are in Chicago again. Today I'm gonna make it like my top 5 thrift tips for beginners. If you are interested in thrifting but you maybe don't know how to start or don't know what to do, how to find the good things, then this video is for you.
Alright, hold on everybody. Hold together.
My very first thrift tip isn't necessarily a tip, but more of like a base knowledge for your first time going into thrifting. There's 3 different types of what I would consider a thrift store. There's the normal thrift store, like a Salvation Army or a Goodwill, or sometimes maybe like a church or a charity thrift store. And that's where people are going to bring whatever they have and they're going to donate it. Thrift stores are going to be less picky about the things that they resell, but they're also going to be the cheapest. The second type, which is the type that we're going to today, a consignment store or a resale shop. So this is a place where people will bring their clothes and they will buy them from the owner and then resell them. It is still pretty affordable. You'll find brands like Princess Polly, things from Revolve, J. Crew. The third type of secondhand store that you will find is a vintage store. These can vary on price, but they're almost always going to be the most expensive option as far as sustainable shopping. You will find vintage designer, you will find super curated vintage, you will find super vintage. I've seen clothes as far back as like 1880, 1890, 1900s, like super actual vintage antique clothing, but these all come at a higher price. Tip number 2 is really my number 1 tip when you're going thrifting, and that is looking and paying attention to the materials that you're buying, what they feel like in your hand. You can check the care tag, and if they're made out of wool, cotton, linen, leather, natural materials, they're probably a good buy. If they're made out of polyester, I would think twice. It's not that you can't buy polyester, it's just that that garment will not last as long, won't fit as well, it won't feel as well. But if it's something that you really like, you're absolutely allowed to buy polyester. I just recommend being aware of it. This set right here brings me to the next tip, and that is that if you find something that you really like, you can always get it altered, but you shouldn't go overboard. This is a really super cute matching set from Michael Kors. This is one of the colors that I really wanted for this season, like an olive green, but it is too big and I want the skirt to be shorter. This is a super easy fix if you take it to a tailor, but you don't want to go overboard and buy every single skirt that is just slightly too big for you, because you won't actually end up getting them all altered. They will sit in a corner of your room for months without being worn. I'm speaking to myself on that one. My next tip is going to be shop off season. Now that we're going into spring and summer, I could shop for winter and fall things and find good deals. Maybe they won't be as picked through because not everybody is looking for those things right now. So for example, these leather J. Crew boots, I've been looking for these and I was looking for them all winter basically. They are half off, so they're a really great deal. Next tip, it's kind of like a 2-in-1. If you find a pair of jeans or pants that you like, but maybe there isn't a fitting room or a way for you to try them on, all you have to do is take the waistband and try to fit it around your neck. If it doesn't fit, like these just did, if it doesn't fit around your neck, they're too small, so they won't fit. You try another one and they touch perfectly like this, they're gonna fit your waist perfectly. If they overlap and they're too big, and that's how you know if jeans or pants fit you without having to try them on. The next part of this tip is really just to wear an outfit that is easy to try clothes on under or over. Like one of my favorite things to wear thrifting is this little black athletic dress. It's super easy. Today's outfit really isn't a great example of that tip though. Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. I literally hit the jackpot. Let's get into this haul. First, let me show you the shoes because they're always my favorite, and these are very fun and unique. These like navy blue Western mules, like kind of like a cowboy boot, but in a mule. I love the Western vibe, not so much in my clothes, but I love a Western style shoe. You should have guessed it. I got these J. Crew boots. I have been trying to find good quality and comfortable leather boots for the fall and winter, and I was looking for a brown brown or tan pair all last season, and I just couldn't find one that I felt like I wanted to pay the money for or were good enough quality. And I had actually looked at these exact boots from J. Crew and I just didn't get them because they were a little bit too pricey. But because it was off season, I got them for half off. So they were originally $55, but I got them for half of that. And now we have the clothes. Guys, there is so much stuff here. I can't believe how much I found that has been on my shopping list for the last few months. The first thing that I got is this green vintage pullover sweatshirt. It's got like the navy blue collar. It says San Francisco. It's technically a men's, but I was looking for a green sweater. I've been really into green this season, so I've been on the hunt for like everything green. I already picture myself styling this with my navy pleated skirt. It's gonna be so cute. And this was $22.50. I found lots of Aritzia, which is so cool because I love Aritzia, but I'm not always willing to pay the Aritzia price. They are these Babaton knit joggers. I love these. They fit me super well. I loved how tight they were around the ankle. Sometimes joggers just kind of swallow me, and these fit really well. And this was $18.50. Another little dress date night option. This one is from Alice and Olivia. It is this black little mini dress with these cute little pocket details on it. So cute. It gives me tennis core, and that's kind of the vibe I'm going for this spring. I found another set, and these sets are my absolute favorite. This is from Zara, I believe. Yeah, and it's also new with tags. I love finding things that are new with tags. And it is just these comfy little lounge pants. They have pockets. I love sets like this to wear as swimsuit cover-ups, and I have the cutest navy swimsuit that will match this. Like, I love it. These are my colors for spring, and then it comes with the matching top, and it is just so cute. For some reason, my camera didn't record the next two pieces in the haul, even though I know I put them in there. But I got these brown capris, and I have seen capris all over my feed lately. I think they're so cute, and I have been hunting for a brown pair specifically, so I was so pumped to find them. And also this dress, like, are you kidding me? I can't remember what brand it was. It wasn't from anything that I recognized, but I am obsessed. I've been really wanting more dresses, more date night options, something cute and dressy. I feel like I don't have enough of that, and I saw this and my jaw literally dropped. I could not believe it. I think it was like less than 20 bucks. I got this absolutely adorable matching set, brand new with tags, Michael Kors. It comes with this skirt with these really cute little gold buttons and the matching top. And if you guys saw in the dressing room, it's just a little bit big on me, but it can so easily be taken in by a trusted tailor, or if you yourself know how to sew, that's a great skill. And I can easily make this skirt into a mini skirt to be more my style, but it was brand new with tags, and I got the entire set for $40. I'm very pleased with this find. I'm very excited. That is everything that I got at the thrift store today, and I hope that if you are a beginning thrifter or you're new to thrifting, I hope that my tips can help you out. Definitely go check out my other thrift vlogs and all the other cities that we've been to. I always love coming to Chicago because there's so many options of secondhand stores to go to. It's always a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. And the...
I'm neurotic. I can't leave it just sit there.
You're okay.
As long as it's productive, neurosis is okay.
I'm sure they appreciate you bringing it back.